You searched how to buy shares of Alandsbanken Abp, a Nordic regional bank listed on CBOE EU under the ticker ALBAV.HE. This short guide explains the practical steps. This content is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we use eToro as a neutral example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar to enter the ticker ALBAV.HE and locate the Alandsbanken Abp listing on the CBOE EU market. Confirm the matching name and ticker before opening the asset page. On the asset page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is the correct Alandsbanken Abp share. Check listing details such as market and ticker to avoid selecting the wrong instrument. To invest, click Trade or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order summary, and then confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order will be submitted or queued for execution when the market reopens. And if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirmation. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio showing quantity and cost basis. For the sample link and more details, see the description below.